The Qlife Electric Bike for adults is an impressive offering in the rapidly growing e-bike market, particularly for those who prioritize performance and versatility in their daily commute as well as adventurous mountain rides. With its 1200 W peak power output and the ability to reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour, the Qlife e-bike positions itself as a formidable option for both urban commuters and off-road enthusiasts. One of the standout features of this electric bike is its powerful 1200 W motor. This motor provides an exhilarating ride, delivering impressive acceleration and smooth handling. For commuters, this means you can quickly navigate through traffic or tackle those tricky inclines without breaking a sweat. The ability to reach 25 miles per hour is a significant advantage, especially for those who want to make their daily commutes quicker and more efficient. The bike features adjustable pedal assist levels, which allows you to choose how much power you want to engage, giving you the flexibility to conserve energy when desired or unleash the full power of the motor when needed. The design of the Qlife electric bike is another highlight. The frame is crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, providing both durability and lightweight characteristics. This makes the bike easier to handle while ensuring it can withstand the rigors of daily use. The geometry of the bike is well thought out, offering an upright riding position that enhances comfort over long distances. The adjustable seat further ensures that riders can find a comfortable fit, accommodating various heights without compromising stability or control. Equipped with a 48V lithium-ion battery, the Qlife e-bike offers an impressive range that allows for extended rides without the constant worry of running out of charge. On a full charge, riders can expect a range of 25 to 50 miles, depending on the level of pedal assist used and the terrain. This range is particularly beneficial for commuters who want to make it to work and back without needing to recharge during the day. The battery is also removable, making it convenient to charge at home or in the office, and it can be locked into place to deter theft. The bike is fitted with high-quality components, including a reliable gear transmission system and mechanical disc brakes. The 21-speed gear system allows for seamless shifting, providing versatility in different riding conditions, whether you're climbing steep hills or cruising on flat roads. The mechanical disc brakes deliver solid stopping power, giving confidence in their performance, especially when riding at higher speeds. When it comes to comfort, the Qlife electric bike does not disappoint. The wide, cushioned saddle is designed for long rides, and the bike features front suspension to absorb shocks from uneven terrain. This capability makes it suitable for light off-road adventures, such as trails or gravel paths, without compromising comfort. The 26-inch wheels are paired with puncture-resistant tires, enhancing safety and reliability on various surfaces. Another notable aspect is the bike's integrated LED lighting system. This feature is essential for safety, particularly for those who commute early in the morning or later in the evening. The lights are bright enough to ensure visibility while also allowing you to see the path ahead clearly. The bike also includes reflectors on the sides and rear, providing additional safety measures. However, it's important to note that, like any product, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. The weight of the bike, while manageable, might be a concern for some riders. At approximately 58 pounds, it's heavier than traditional bicycles, which can make transporting it more challenging. Additionally, assembly may require some mechanical knowledge, as certain components such as the front wheel and handlebars need to be attached after purchase. In conclusion, the Qlife electric bike for adults is a well-rounded option for anyone seeking an electric bike that excels in both urban commuting and recreational mountain biking. With its powerful motor, impressive range, and comfortable design, it meets the needs of diverse riders. While there are minor drawbacks regarding weight and assembly, the overall performance, build quality, and features make it a worthwhile investment for those looking to enhance their cycling experience. Whether you're navigating city streets or